uvumelekile king ukungena kule nyonyane king noma ngabe unendlela. Ngumsebenzi welive lesiwentako akusiyo ukuthi asitendi uyabona, it's not like siyakuthanza lesikwentako kumele sikwende.
Kumele sikwene king and kufuna sihlale siku-automatic because sometimes kutawufika tintfo letimcoka neke umele kutsi kufuna ngize ngifike ekhaya ngize ngiti-attende, kufuna uti-attende nyalo on the road.
Letinye tinto king kuthiwa yini kuthiwa yini ngobhana kuthiwa kunamagama eSiswati la ngilabalekelayo kuse umva kaSathade yathi angisayati language yami ukuthi ngiyiphe kuse angisati ngikhulumani.
Litsini leli gama mhlawumbe ngidalilati mina.
Angathi noma kuhlahlele ukuthi kufuna tinto kufuna yabo into kufuna siyijubele. Nesigama lesintu lelicinile king lelikhona kujubela ukuthi lento vele siyibambe ingakaphunyuki king because netindzaba lengitivako nje letifuna kuphunyuka manje kufuna ukuthi uyabona.
Yeah, leti yabana but mina ngakubona kwami sekuncane manje kungasurprise mina nawe king ngaphasi kwemfundo welanga kuncane manje into letinga.
Angisho esikhathini esiningi king size sibe nalo nyonyane lena king akusiyo ukuthi sifuna kwakha tindzaba or sifuna kunangizana, sifuna confirma lokhu vele sikwade besivele sikusho iminyaka neminyaka uyabona. Sine ego uyabona, sine ego sesiyathi prove ukuthi uyabona ngasho.
Bekuvele lokunengi kukhonza ukuthi bekuvele kutawendeka mlingane, so asadi but hey yabona kunengana king lokwentekako.
Mina king yayingihluphe lento kuse yathi mangihleli ngicabanga ukuthi kungenteka ukuthi lento yi-human nature yini lesiphethe noma kuyini king, because angicabanga ukuthi into ecala nyalo leti tinto lebedvete khona mhlambe tifihlakele manje ngaloku sesiphila even labo social media uyabona, tinto setiyakhona nje kuphuma tibe njalo tibe sebaleni, but angicabanga ukuthi into lensha mhlambe nyalo mhlambe se-exaggerated or maybe nyalo seyiningi kakhulu ngalokuthi sesakhona ukuyibukela lento ibhalo la kulama social.
Yeah, mina nangibuka emlingani kuncane lokushintshile ngebantu over the last maybe 10,000-20,000 years yabo. Singaba ne-technology ukuthi sesiyakhona kwenta lokhu senta lokhu, but fundamentally nje king umuntu akashintshi. So ngicabanga ukuthi mina le technology isite ukuthi sibabone bantu on a larger scale because before bubona abantu lona beklasini yabo, ukuthi ngiya eklasini ngiyambo behave nje ubona bomakhelwane. Nyalo king uhlete ekoneni lakho ukhona kuthatha umuntu loseMozambique losenyembane ubone le behavior. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina kude lokushintshile ngabantu yathi.
Maye umbuto wami king uthi sine bantu king sinjalo vele naturally ukuthi i-DNA yethu lento lesentako lena king bungithi noma lento lesentako sesiva ngathi i-wrong because sekuba nemithetho yabona mhlambe maybe lebhalwe eBhayibhelini ukuthi ungakwendi lokuhalela ukuthi kuse ngathi ngasibamba nalesiya sibunu ngathi ngasibamba uyabona. Kungithi noma yinto lokuthi lidimoni lento king noma bantu nje banjalo king kufuna into lenye labeteyona labangayibambi inyalo or aside ama-morals or kuyini sinjalo vele naturally but sizame kwakha imithetho yabona yokuthi hayi ungakwendi lokhu wrong, but lobungithi lebulwane because kuthiwa sitilwane buthi bona ngifuna kuyenda lento le.
Ngakuchallenge mlingane ukuthi asesibuke bantu ukuthi baphila njani kungafiki ngibekise ukuthi maybe ungafiki inkholo ukuthi bantu baphila njani le ngafiki inkholo kubo. Ukhanza ukuthi bantu naye sengafiki inkholo kubo king baphila ngalendlela loyishoko wena. Lokuthi indvoza ifuna maybe kuthatha 4-5 obafati ayigcini lapho, ifuna kuchubekele embili ize ikopene ukuthi itawuthatha nalabanye bafati balabanye bantu. Bantu bafuna kugangathana babulalane.
Yebo.
Kunengi nje. Ubuke noma seyifikile inkolo phinze ngoba phela nakhona noma seyifikile bantu bayachubeka batende letinto leti. Mina ngikhanza ngathi i-explanation lengiyo ukuthi indalo yomuntu ingiko lokhu sesiye stame kwakha imithetho. Ngibekise nje ukuthi kunalama commandment lang 10 yekupreventa le muntu ukuthi anga-acti ngale ndalo yakhe. Sakha nemithetho leshicilelo le imithetho yelive ukuthi wenda lokuthi awuboshwa. Leyo yakhelwa ukuthi ithuse abantu ukuthi ningayeni lento vele ngokuthi awugcinele enanga ejele wenda lokho. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi lento kuyindalo namlingani.
Oh, ngisi lesibe
And
sisakhe ama-boundaries. Sakhe ama-boundaries ukuthi hhayi ungakwendi lokhu kushone uhlale nalo because King lento lena ngiyicephuna kulesi cephu sengisibone King senteka online King lamalanga landlulile lesaphaphus nalomfato wakhe.
Kwendekeni ifele i-power couple ye-Black Love leyo kwendekani kani nge-Black Love?
Ucabange King ukuthi Mjida King beka ejele ayo-check-a Madam King aboshiwe ngathi for how many years? 6 years ngathi Madam was in the thing. You understand?
I was in the, I think it was Remy Ma. Yeah, Remy Ma was in the thing for 6 years, mlingani.
Yeah, le out King be
Or
committed.
6 or 8, yeah.
The outbreak committed King go check lo girl every time. Uthi lo girl except for the first year ngathi Mjida bekamchecka like every day.
Bekafika every day King 8 to 5 nangiva kahle hle.
Because I think because it's in ama creatures la male King, I think ngithi ama creatures lesithandzako, ngisi lesithandzako. Siya choose in fact.
Yeah, ngiyakuva lapho King. If you uma indvodza ithandza umuntu mlingane kude lenekeze ikwende.
And kuba loud, sithandza loud.
Loud King. Uma nje indvodza imthandza umuntu kude lokhu impossible King.
Nangoke Remy Ma King
So,
yalo King.
beka
sebahlukene namjida King se Can of Worms King, Can of Worms ubonile bekunema video King lento shayabo malana nganana Papoose nayo igcine seka because Papoose King ithina mina mangikhule that nigga was a G for me. He will always be a G, you understand? I-out ngibona ukuthi ngathi out stable like he stand on his business, you understand? He stand on his business. I-out legit umva ngisho kuma raps ukuthi hayi Mjida ngathi out straight yabona. And mangilalela story sakho kulama back and forth. Mangilalela story sakhe kulama back and forth makachaza ukuthi yaqala kuphi lento ya Madam ukuthi ngasocala kudlala letinye titori King. Into lebuya kudzala. And Mjida King bekasola ngayivete yabona solo mana zama ku Madam nawe in you understand, but inature ya Madam bethi yona hayi bafu ngiyakushiya.
Manje bekalwa nalento leyo yena ukuthi bekangafuni lokushiwa yile nginga understand lenkinga yakhe mina King.
I think kukayi-2 it's either bekangafuni lokushiwa ngekuthi I've put so much work into this relationship I cannot just leave it like that hanging, or bekungile image King le Black Love yabona lebese bayakhile King around i-relationship yabo ukuthi everybody knew ukuthi mawukhuluma nge-power couple yakena ithi MacG King mase bahlukene Remy Ma na Papoose. MacG wayiposta le question kuPapoose kulenye episode King bebase LA MacG akuna Papoose lapha.
Oh yes
wayiposta le question
ngayibona yebo.
Wayiphoza le question MacG wathi since thina sikhule sibuka nini as i-power couple, you understand? Manje kwendekeni wathi Papoose angifuni ukukhuluma ngalendzaba leyo, ngiyamrespecta Remy Ma, ngiyarespecta konke lakwentako, it's fine, it's okay, but buka girl uthi wenteni King after Mjida move on King. And I think mina girl King beyacabanga ukuthi Mjida maybe angeke move on, especially ngale character yamjida over the years ajola nayo yabona ukuthi amjida kusengijole nayo mina ngiyathi ukuthi ngeke ayenzawo vele wami lona, you understand? But kusuke kwashaya lenye power move kwaPapoose King kwahamba kobamba lenye i-girl King le high le top King, top career, top everything King, umntwana ugrand unemali usharp, walimala Remy Ma. My thinking walimala Remy Ma King uthi esani eish the out ya move on ngiyabona sekungako ke nyalo King seka wayla, you understand? Sekungako nyalo seka wayla sekungena online and so act out of character yabona ukuthi hayi in Mjida bengumsita girl dog yabona King le relationship le especially la so King angibe disappointed dog.
I think mina mlingane info lenkulu ngifuna si-address le scam which is Black Love nale idea ma power couple.
Yeah.
nga nga ngakutshela King for free ukuthi into le njenga Black Love kude and ngikutshela for free angikucharge ngisho imali.
Uyithathaphi le nkulumo leyo King? I-dangerous le nkulumo loyikhulumako King. And it's very provocative.
Ngiyithatha ekutheni uke wabonaphi wena King umlomnyama athanda lomnye umlomnyama. Ungibalele i-example nje yinye like
In which form? Because King lapho wena ngathi sokhuluma broadly, mina ngikhulumela in relationship terms.
ngisho ukuthi kufuna sicale kule broad King ngoba phela luthando ukhona kuthanda nakwinto lonayo uyabona nangabe nje info lekhona ku community eveni ukuthi lithando likhona uyabona then ke sesingasho ukuthi ngiyakuthanda because mina experience yami King bonke abantu labamnyama labatame ukukhuluma idea yelithando babulewe and babulawa abantu abamnyama. Sesengafika kule romantic love King, sikhuluma nje love in general ukuthi umuntu omnyama mthanze umphathe kahle, umuntu omnyama umphathi kanjena uyabona. Ngikula ke wayibona khona le idea leyo wena iprevail ukuthi abantu abamnyama bayathandzana.
But King mawukhuluma kanjalo ukhulumela ukuthi si scrape off their pap na Remy Ma ngalelithando leli ukuthi understand si like eish ngathi ngayibeka kanjani le part le because ngiyayiva lo yibekako King. It's very important to understand. Because those are the roots of love, you understand ukuthi siqala la but le nto besikhuluma ngayiqaleni le ukuthi le nature yemuntu King lo wokuchitha you understand lokufuna lento lo yona nyalo ukuthi ngihawukela lokuya sikuphoze kancane lokho sicalele emuva ukuthi siyathithanza yini thina ekuqala.
Kufuna sicale I think mina King to be honest kufuna sicale lapho ukuthi siyakhona because le idea bese siyabuya sesiyathandzana ke ukuthi ngithanda lo sisi wakazibani leyo King kufuna iqhamuke ekutheni siphila ku society la kunelithando khona uyabona.
Yeah.
And then ke sesiyasho ukuthi kuleli thando lwethu siyachithana noma sichithana because singaba nelithando sichithane kude bathi sakhona amakhaphula kanjalo ukuthi siyadibana siyathandzana like siyathandzana mbamba siyadibana senda sikwendako but nawe uyahamba wende kwakho nembane bathi ma-open relationship akhona amakhaphula kanjalo.
Yeah, akhona la base kuloko.
So mina ngithi ke King asengiphinde ngifake lomnye umbuzo mlingane ukuthi uke weva yini nge-white love noma i-Asian love khona la uke wayiva khona yini?
Sengayiva kade kuse.
Why ke thina sifuna ukuthengiselana ngale
the white power couple sengayiva again.
Good King because thina ngathi the idea about black love noma power couple we're trying to sell something King lekude yona. I think that the trouble starts lapho
I think it comes from that guilty place ukuthi hayi nathi sinako lokunje yeah power love yabona yeah nathi I understand. I think it comes from the sense ukuthi we know for a fact ukuthi we don't love each other like that. So now that we have these two we're going to take them and put them to the pedestal and say yabona ke yabona ukuthi yakhona ke nathi yabona like sibala few people King sibala bo Zex Bantwini sibale bo nangu bo maybe bo banda bo Jay-Z sibala like it's siyakubala lento even those kwakhile but kuyabaleka uyabona because in the broader scheme of things King siyathi sikwendekane malokishini King libhama libhamile King akasiwakho chief.
If you can count it King it doesn't count.
Once you start counting ukuthi yabona njengabani nah
it doesn't count. Eloquent King I think that's the real human nature. And bolaba King lolo babalile bo Zex Bantwini bo Jay-Z asathi kwendekani behind closed doors King kunentfo lovama kisho King there's no such thing as a life that's better than yours uyabona.
There's none.
Where sisuke sa idolize abantu King ukuthi hey yabona nangathola i-cherry lengithanda njengoba Remy Ma athanda Papoose, or nangathola i-out lengithanda njengoba Papoose athanda Remy Ma. Awati king kwendekani behind closed doors, because as now soyeva nyalo ukuthi bekwendekani kuse.
Nyalo soyeva king ukuthi
Sengikhona kuvela emafayela.
uyeva nyalo ukuthi kuse king kwageli kwacheatha lapha ekhaya endlini king nalomnye girl lebekunaye in the thing.
Kunemphana laceleni mlingani.
Lebekunaye in the thing lo girl.
And astart netono ta Papoose ukuthi yini ngoba phela thina sathile lesikubona na kurola ama camera.
Starta
When the
Papoose but
camera is
king
rolling loko lesikubona.
but king mina ngidakutshela ukuthi even though Papoose maybe unato tono kuthi umlode tono king nami nginetono, you understand, ngiyasiphakamisa isandla makushunyayela ngivume yabona, but even though Papoose anetono king, but the crash out king ya Remy Ma king, it comes from a place of esani. Ish, I should have kept the nigga for myself man. Buka nyalo ukuthi umuva njani, you understand, because king siphila kule era ukuthi kufuna ubone. It's all about, especially thina king the Black House, sifuna ubone king ukuthi hey kusebona kwaSlink bomb into lenjani, uyabona. Nami mhlawumbe ngibambela umntwana king lo heavy nofuna ngina naye ikasa, yabona majida abone ukuthi kuse uyabona kwaSlink bombene kuse. It's all about that. So ngoma gimmick yabona, samvula nyelo ma gimmicks yabona ukuthi kuse
Spectacle. I think yakusa spectacle ukuthi
spectacle king ukuthi kufuna ubone ukuthi dog, yabona ukuthi ngihambaphi, yabona ukuthi I think that's it dog. And kumlimatile Remy Ma king ukuthi sani mjida, because nyalo ukhipha amafile lesingawadingi king. We don't need that, we are not there, asikudzingi konke lokho.
but kunengi lesingakufunza bafana kule situation le.
No, hayi lesson king iningi lesson.
Inengi ngifuna ukubekisela mlingane. Ukhulumile lo Fro athi savete amafayile ukuthi bekayondla le out, bekayinaka idla imali yakhe, ayinamali, ayikhona ukuthola imali. After 20 years abe naye king. Udvile leti nkhuluma leti bese ngikhana bona loko king. And mina I've always said yona mlingani, because ngike ngaba nenhlanhla mina empilweni ukuthi ngijole nabogela labanemadlana, yabona.
Yeah.
Ungacali noma ngawuva indlela lenjani mlingani, noma ngase say extreme, ungacali umukele imali yemfati wakho noma intombi yakho. Ungacali
I-trap.
ungamane uhambe ngetinyawo king,
because kutokhulunywa ngayo le ndaba
abantu
leyo.
usuke eJozi uye na sport. Yes, because you will always be reminded king. Mlingani le ndaba leyo iyohlale ivuka. Ngifuna ukubekisela mlingani, wena ungasebenza 30 years, usebende wondle abantu bakho, wondle umfati wakho, bese kulowo 31 umnyaka siyalahleka span.
Facts.
Xa uphela bo 3-4 days ungavukele span, kuphela inyanga, ukuthi imali engenako udova ukuthi eish mina ngathi ukuthi umuntu kanjani, ngoba phela amanye amadvoza aphumile ayasebenza. Umuntu nje ukhethe ugcwele endlini. Mina sengidiniwe ngiloko ondlana nendvoza. It's 30 days king. Sebadiniwe kondlana nendvoza in 30 days.
Yeah, king inkulumo iyashintsha after that. That's why king it's dangerous these days more out yakena ukuthi ungabi ne something lo yichunako, especially when it comes, I'm sure besikhuluma ngayo le nto bo Black Love le. Our sisters king, hayi bangilabanye abantu nyalo dog, like it's not hard king, it's not easy king ukuthola umuntu king lo ngaba straight naye lokushini maybe ubuild again. Mina that's why king bamangala ukuthi why le out i-celebrity isikhathi esingaka ayifuni nikujola le out sikhiphani ngayo, because king ngiyacalculate ngiyayibuka le nto, because think about the pain king mase iqhamuka le pain ukuthi iba ngakanani dog moy out usebenza 30 days in dog, sekuthiwa uyambona ke nyalo udla sinko sebantwana.
Sekuloko ama relationships kwethu baloko vele wena king yabona a beautiful relationship king. Nginaye sisidibane tavern sekhaya sivuke ekuseni sihambe separate, yabona leyo yinhle kakhulu man. Yinhle kakhulu, yabona leyo, because
manje akusiyi relationship leyo.
yini king why benhle kangaka but
It's just to nut. Yabona, it's a nut game.
eh
I-nut
mina
game
ngikhanza
king,
because
akusiyo relationship.
once sahlala
I-nut
phasi king
yeah.
eh
I-nut game
ngiya-
king leyo, because
because
yabona, especially for thina majida king, udzinga umuntu ohlala naye phasi king nikhulume, you understand, uleshe out, yabona, ucrush out nawe, yabona, ukhulume, yabona, unibuild something, kube nento lokuthi kusayed okay, in 2 years sifuna sibe silapha, sifuna sente lokho, yabona, lapha singaphesha kaso lokho, okay, ngikuphushe lana in, you understand, like ufile ngathi nawe king unemuntu lophila naye, ufile okay, you understand, it's all about that ekuse. Manje ngike seyiba
it's like
financial lento after some time.
i-financial from the jump king and ngilama ngaqala lapho nansi nifuna kuhlala phasi nikhulume nibhile something ngilapho ke laqala khona lokuyengana king because now you're living a lie now is living a lie yabona
Eish,
because now in your heart king umele phela thusi ukuthi kuse yabona nangathi ngithi lapha ku DM phela aphendvule lento lengiyishiya same day king ngiyahamba ngiyakuphela naye king umele nangimidlozi lo wasuke elokishini noma wasuke emakhaya imidlozi wayosebenza eJozi so sohlale esentini nakathi imidlozi success uhambile mfati wami nyalo uthini
ey, lento lena king shothi
lento
yonke lento lena i-crime scene lena king. I think ke shothi maningi king abantu labashadile king labahleli nje ukuthi sohlaliswe ngikuthi, otherwise akafuni kuba la king, lobulwane bethu king, that animal in us ifuna kuba in display, uyabona,
mm,
ifuna kuba, yabona, Sodom, ifuna kuphile Sodom.
kuba and itawuphuma king ihlibe untamed na ungekho le animal iphume kuwe uthole snack attack or noma iphume kuye kube nekwemjida loku because I think mne kuma relationships ethu king ku culture yethu siphuma culture le dominator buphuya wona king
Yeah,
poverty is very loud in our cultures
yeah,
so when we our needs tidzingo tethu nje esibantu labamnyama tidzingo letingalungiswa imali yabona
facts.
and then the people out there king both men and women who have the solutions latandleni le mali bayiphethe yabo kani kula kwabongamla king la kuhluka khona kula kwabongamla nemashayina nanani ema needs abo labantu labo the post material needs king kunabo bongamla ngakubekisela ngabo bani ukhanze ibillionaire king itidubulile yatibulala be depressed kude imali lengalungisa tinkinga talomjita loyo king
Because ufike kusilinge ngemali king, unayo yonke.
langalungisa is emotional attachment nama relationships akakhoni kwenta letinfo leto king for thina emlingani ema tinkinga letinengi ngafika lokushini namuhla king asithi maybe ngiphethe limitha I think 90% of the problems elokishini ngingatisolve
Yeah,
or emakhaya ngafika ngitisolve ngemali
yeah, qiniso lelo.
singaya esentini namuhla tincane tinkinga longatsolva ngemali esentini king letinkinga leto setidzinga relationships emotional support and so on so for thina sisaphila king kule place of hunger singakha nje konyonyana ukuthi eish uyabona sihlangahlangene namuhla make siyayengana but ngiyati ukuthi le out yakho lekufunako nayingangena la kuma DMs namuhla this beautiful thing this home that we think we have
Mina king, that's why mina king advocate kakhulu emajiteni, especially emajiteni king, especially niggas on the come up, yabona, emajita on the come up. Kuse kuse into longathi
mm,
uma out kuse kule age lokuyo 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, maybe out of college, usaphume college or usaye college. Into lokufuna uyiprioritize kakhulu elifini yakho king, kubuild ama out, you understand? Sina king isiqale late, yabona, that's why sikhasa ngemadolo, you understand? Sibone late le game sekuse you need to build first before ucabanga ngetinto tema-relationship netinto tantani. Angisho ukuthi lokho kutakusita ukuthi uthole bogelo or something, but lokho kutokunika i-confidence ukuthi noma ungathola umuntu ongathi sofuna kuvaya akavayo, yabona, because okay wena kuba betele pain lengakwenta ukuthi ucrashe out uye ku-YouTube nakubantu bani online ukhulume ngalo get up kanjani because you're okay, you understand. kuba i-problem king
Eish,
lesikhathi king
and mina
bakushiya king kubhetha, understand, kuse bakushiye ku-rough dog.
kute ngisho impuphu yekupheka namuhla ekuseyabo le hunger ebusuku lokhu
Uyayibona-ke
anihambile
le
and
bottom
khona
leyo,
understand ukuthi hambeleni.
le bottom leyo-ke king ngiyo le lebanga ema-suicide, le lebanga emajida ejele, le lebanga yabona emajida yakha ema-rapist, yakha yonke inyofu king. It comes from that dark place, you understand.
Yeah, but yeah, kukanjalo. That's why mina ngithi eish, yabona le yase tavern man king, that is I think that's Black Love.
Lenye into king lengicakayo king sekuse hey lama sister ethu king ekuse, because at least in most cases king that driver king kuyenta lento king ungayiboni undictated, you understand, the mover undictated. Ubuke lo gale ukuthi ekusebeka muva kanjani, ekuseyabonakala ngivisa ebuhlungu kakhulu king ngileya Nipsey Hussle king yo.
Kwendekani nganipsi?
Oh phela kusho kuvelile nyalo king ukuthi Nipsey King bekajona Lauren London ba grand nabo king besibabona as a power couple, lana love fethu it's black love, it's all that. And again ma confess king
Sengiyayazi ukuthi yaphi
uyasho king
king,
ukuthi
sengiyayibona.
when I met this guy everything changed. I knew ukuthi I was loved, you understand, I knew I was loved, everything was okay, I felt at home, siyabuilda simnandi, everything is home bra. Kani kuyanemba kwaDidi king ekoneni. And we're finding
Kulolweni.
out that now. We're finding out that now, King. So feel Mchita King. But Mchita King shows beka join
Hayi
again.
wena.
Beka busy Didi King ashaya.
Eish. And phela bo Diddy King bane magunya, bane timali.
Bane maletse.
Bane malenze king yabona imali man. That's why king funa mani ngathi singaqala silungisele economy singacabanga indaba tekjola, because imali king iya confuse. Kunalonye kusilwane embabane anenge ngikhuluma amagama king because ngendeka kusengekho yabona.
Bangafika njani lapha
Kunalonye
eCarolina?
king aneke wadi bafana. Sekunabantu banepool. Kunanye kwasilwane
Fine.
king lapha kaNgwane embabane. Kuyakutshela abantwana amancane sekuse awunikete inombolo temafrolo wathembako la cingweni lakho uyabona.
Hayi wena.
Ngidakunika imali.
Hayi
Asilahle
wena.
mantwana king akunikete number kuyathi introduce king lokwamjida na kusend message ebengingasenda nje mina ngithi Mabheng Jojo Lobovu. That's the first message I send. Yabona. Khali e-wallet king. Noma 10 stina yabona. Bese ngiyabinza. Yeah, bese ngiyabinza.
Sekunemuntu okhuluma emva kwalokho.
The strength king sale relationship yakho sithatha siyabonakala after that statement. Yabona.
Ene king asikho le strength yakena ukuthi simanga. Kude nale strength ekuse. Lento it's holding on a thread. It's holding on a thread. I lento.
Ayikho king. And king la machita lanemali ayayati ukuthi wathi kude umuntu king lo watika ukuthi lento ya Black Love nema relationship man ayikho one kwendlula umjita lonemali.
Yeah, because ubone kakhulu ama Black Love online king la snekako ku and akawaphazamisi, but uyathi
And
uthi lapha
supportwa nguye king lokuthi azachubeke avele abe prosperous. Nguye lo wasupportako king. Ngemali yakhe lo mjita king bakhona kuthatha ama vacation baye kuphi bantu bafunde ma private school. Bantu bafunde ma private school king.
because
Uthenga
king, there's a stand up guy king lo meceleni longatiwe is invincible, but he's supporting this thing.
Is the one supporting this thing king. Lokuthi sister afake Gucci agcoke in there's a guy behind that yabona. Sikhona ku maintain le perception thina ye Black Love. There's a rich guy behind lo bambele situation leyo. And ngiyawubonga la machita lawo king because they're supporting many families. We need them.
We do king, but we do need them, especially mina nawe, because understand the angle ukuthi le angle yale game lena injani, and ukuze ukuthi uyidlale kahle and you-enjoy, you understand, ukuthi ube kuyiphi indzawo, you understand, there's a space you need to go to so that you can understand the game, because esikhathini esiningi king ungahamba out there angry elifini, uyabona, ungahamba unyanya bogela, ungahamba unyanya mangabe uyitshela, ungahamba unyanya majida, because I understand the angle ukuthi kudlalwa kuphi. Once you understand ukuthi this whole thing is a game, now you'll understand, so okay, ngiyaplace kuphi kule game, ngifuna kuba yini mina kule game, so uyasho hayi mina ngiyiphondi, hayi mina nginangizana ngiking, hayi mina ngiqueen, yabona mina ngikhethe kuba king, ngikhethe kuba king kule game, sekusema ngifuna kuba king, you understand, ngifuna kuba king ma moves ngihamba kaso, you understand. So angifuni kuba iphonda, angifuni kuba next king, ngifuna uyibona yonke lento le yentekako le.
And lokuthula mlingani lokutholako ngeke-accepta.
Hey mina kuse king, yabona angeke nguyenge king, in the past 5-6 years ekuse I've been one peaceful guy ekuse ngema decision engwendile, especially when it comes to mijolo nani. Lento lena ngilethele ukuthula kakhulu, because king ngikubukela ngihleke into matendeke, it's okay, you know, sekwende sengu stage 2, okay, because ngiyathi nistophela njani le game, ngiyathi kusese yabo njengoba nama text ayaqala ukukhuluma lo msaqala ukukhuluma kaso sesiku stage 4, you understand, and noma kanjani ngeke simphase stage 4, uyabona, ngeke simphase stage 4, because esikhathini lesiningi mangidlala le game yami lena stage 4 umfaka behavior kaso akamphasi stage 4.
And wena king angi-expect ukuthi ngiyoke ngikukhande soboshiwe ukuthi so shaye ngoba phela ku-wrong lokushaya bosisi bokusoshaya, because wena leni futhi wayi-understand mlingani. And then mlingani sengifuna ukukutshela ngalenye indzaba bafana, uyabo lesiyikhulumako le, kunetindzawo mlingani ngala emakhaya, ngala kubo kubonhlangano bobani, uyabona emakhaya khona amakhala deep king ngalapho.
Yeah.
Lapho kunema-relationship king la solid kwane kuse.
Because akekho exposed king ku-Instagram, akekho exposed nasetimalini king, kuthi nje ekhaya kini kunetinsimu letinkulu netinkomo, uyabona, ngiloko nje uyabona, otherwise akukho lamalini.
Akukho, and kune true love king from both lamajita akhona nalamafroko. Mina ngike ngafika kule ndzawo leto ngayibona letinto ngathi exactly labantu baphila lenye impilo lemnanzi labantu labangale king, laba ngasi-exposed kule spotlight.
So what do you mean king? Usho ukuthi king kahle kahle le social media nayo king ikubhebhetelile letinto leti?
Hayi king, i-social media yendele okunengi kwaba lula, uyabona. Kunalomnye umjita king kwase-Nigeria bathi Nkwame Watere, kuvame kuhamba ngema-private jet, kuhamba nabantu abawo king ngema-private jet nje, nakwehla ku-private jet kungena ku-Rolls Royce.
Awena
Ngiyakuchallenge king ukuthi uye la ku-TikTok wayo le out, ufike ubukele ama-comments. Ubukela ama-comments ukuthi bathini masistela ethu king, yini lalathi awilling ekuyenda for lo mjita loya.
And king lapho lo sister loyo king wena uthi ubambile king, vele uyomshada, it's you, it's forever, utshele majita king udle libhodlela, cha mina majita ngisengigrand, mina sengibambile bafana forever.
Neke king, because all lo mjita la kufuna kwende king lapha kungena ku-inbox athi kune first class ngise Brussels nyalo, there's a first class ticket going from Banban to Brussels, hamba ungena angene. And king, let's not make it seem like bokele kuphela, because we also know la malokishini ukuthi kunemakhansela ANC king, la busy nema-brigade ethu, the boys.
King maningi amajita king lamuqiwe budvodza bawo, you understand, ngenzaba yemali king, ngenzaba yemali, maningi amajita king lamuqiwe budvodza bawo ngenzaba yemali king, bathi bawabita ngema-after 9, sekaneligama kuthiwa ma-after 9.
Bathi ma-after 9?
Ya kuthiwa ma-after 9 because after 9 asibathi bendani, uyabona. Lamini king bajola banema-cherry ebusuku king, umjito yagucuka abe yi-cherry.
And king, Nawo lamachita lawo phela amuvisa kwala macheri, so it's not a women problem only, uyabona,
It's
because
not.
uke wabona nawo ma-out usa-act kanjani nakabona outline imali.
Ekuseyakena ukuthi i-cringe kimi ngiyibona lento le yenteka King ba-cringe nje like what? Like ubona ama-out behavior like kuse ama-out around i-out enemali behave weird man, kuse weird dog. Like ngathi out awoshipwa engila ngibona khona ukuthi hayi ekuse yabona
Le out khona, I remember nje besisesikumane nawe, besilapha esikumane ngibani ka-Harry
kaHarry.
eBarren. There was a guy King bekahamba ngalenye it was a Mustang le red.
I remember that day, yeah.
You remember that day? Wabona ama-out King safuna kuganela umshita.
Ngoba ama-out asonzele eceleni kwakhe yakutshela wena hey silwane ini.
And then njani ke lo madam wakho King nangabe abona wena ufuna ufuna kugana le out. And then njani phela ngoba
and uhamba nawe King uyibona yonke lento yenteka and uyakwati wena ukuthi out enjani and suyakubona nyalo ba weak. So like say out yami seyiba weak nyalo kule situation le uyabona and ngeke ahlala ngamuvi ke yena ayithathe le out because uyakubona ukuthi kude umuntu.
kuwe kuthi umuntu King usukile esigabeni sakho wa behavior weird because nawo lo mshita lo sonemali. Hey, that's why I think amashita amaningi mina nawo asinyanya King.
It's okay dog. Mina kuse ngiyakuthanda kunyanywa again especially for iqiniso yabona. Yeah, it's good dog. Like you hate me. You can hate me now. But I won't stop now. You can hate me now.
Hayi kumele because mashita ayikha weird King out la nemali, and mina ngisho ukuthi le out le ya King ebeyathi lo mshita loya ekuse asidibane ngale sitawuhamba ngabo 9. Lo mshita bekade teacher le fro yakhe King lapha.
Yeah, but that teacher King sekuthiwa kiwa kuphi nyalo boJozi ini sengena esentini bafana ungasabi. You understand? Umfana ngambona seceleni King akhiphe ligwapa tu Mustang.
So hey, yeah, le nto inang man kufuna, I think mina kufuna sifocus kule economic empowerment, sibe nigrand sonke bese siyabuya ke sesicala kwakhe ama relationships sidama kujola, because hey yabo kule form lesikuyo King le nto nje yaremi imana purpose mina ingithengisela okunengi. Okay, already I knew ukuthi le Black Love scam, already I knew ukuthi na advertiser ima relationship and publicly kanje, you are making up for something King le ndeka ku deep ngale singayathi thina.
And say these days maningi ma relationship lengwabonako King la publicized online and lengisho ukuthi mangabuka ngathi weak ngathi based on something. They are not isource yawo is not love. Are based on ukuthi siyavela yabona basabanyisa basibona yabona. Maye mangibuka le foundation yawo King afana nalendlela yakhe lethu kwesandi.
Hey, ngapha ngibani sivula lesakha indlu etukwesandi.
Singasebenzisi lo King asebenzise 3 little pigs. Asikasebenzisi incwadi zebantu, asebenzise 3 little pigs. One pig built a house on a stone, one pig built a house with sticks, one pig built a house with mud. And King yabona ukuthi ekuseni nabo lawa crash out lawa sitawubona enye crashing out. Ngithi umona ke nayo ke lenye into abantu ekufanele be-understand. Ngithi umona. Le game sengiyibukele kakhulu ngayidadisha isikhathi eside King sengiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay lapha kwendekani. Mina ngalivula nje le-office King lema relationship bete kimi bathi uthathe advice bantu ukuthi yabona leya kakho ngiyayibona lo stage 4. Ngakho imali King side hustle again. Betela King because lento King isinekuyibona thina ngazuthi sidinyanga ngathi sinemithi kana kude simajida nje la iphilile igame I understand ukuthi kuse uyabona once you play the game for a long time you understand ukuthi okay kwendeka so, and once you accept King, once you accept ukuthi angeke uhlala uthandwa yabona, ngeke uhlala uthandwa ukuthi wena like it's not like that dog, and ngicabanga ukuthi bakunyanya mase bakushiya. It's just that kusebabone izambala lakambondo lelingcono yabona umuntu okhona kumove on ne-Instagram yakhe itaba fresher uyabona, but maka nawe u-stagnant man, u-stagnant imagine stagnant.
And ikufuna umjabulele, yathi sifuna umjabulele King nasa move on.
but lokhu umjabulela king akuthathi wonke umuntu kufuneka outless yakhe le game yabona, that's why ujabula ukuthi exe ya ngiyabona ukuthi ku stage bani ngiyamove.
Yeah, but ke king kungawasita onke amajita ukuthi ayat le game. I understand because to avoid ama prison time, to avoid atintfo letiningi because njengoba sisho king mina lokwangisita wangifundisa igame bafana ngikuthi le game king ngidlale nginga 20 cent ngiyita imali uyabona.
Yeah.
Ngatibona onke lamakona ayo le game ukuthi hey shekse egamini nakanje kanje nakanje kanje uyabona. So uma lo muntu angitshela ngoba phela king siyathanda kuva emangala amadzala sivuve ngemlomo lomusha bothi nomlomo lomusha nasokhuluma lama madzala lamanga ahlula ngisho makwakho, ahlula ngisho babo wakho, ahlula ngisho gogo wakho yabona. But nasafika la kuwe etanga lomlomo lomusha uva ngathi ngiwo lawo yabona. Hey lo muntu
Yeah.
angikhanza lona kanje kanjena.
And
Those are old
lapho
lines king coming from a new
ufuna
mouth.
kuva. Ngutshela lo ufuna kuva by the
Ngilolo
time.
funa kuva king. Bancane king bakhona abantu labathandzanako bancane.
Yeah,
And
bakhona
sincere.
nesicambe manga king bakhona.
And the problem is esikhathini lesiningi bacosha abantu labete lithando, both men and women yabona. And it's a
Yeah.
beautiful thing king nangabe kusuke make lothandzanako wadibana nalomnye babe lothandzanako bakha lomnye umndeni king lo built on love. Lentfo leyo bayinhle kakhulu man king.
Hayi bayinhle kakhulu king, bayinhle kakhulu. And ayibi based on ukuthi bafuna kuprovela abantu mabenda lento yabo leyo. It's about both of them. Ngeke uyibone ku-Instagram, ngeke uyibone. Uyabona once sayibona. I mean I think once yaba publicized king, once the struggle is televised. Once the struggle is televised, in most cases king. So,
The
it's gonna
revolution king
crash.
of food event is never televised.
I mean, I think it's practice right be televised, king, so that's win. Because about televised, king, we know the journalist. My journalist king what switch a story, like switch like that, like switch. Wakubona kwanangizana
Kuba
kwa Kate Williams king khona ukuthi wakhuluma ukuthi everything switch fast like that, like switch like kuze nalama movie switch. It's king. That's why ngithi mina mfethu lesikhathi lesikuso nyalo my out, especially my out king, because boGayle King bangahamba they can get the next rich guy yabona. Thina king once you say you're gonna get the next rich guy sesikubuka ngalamanye amehlo like awu nika uthini asinakuva, repeat yourself yabona. even even
kanti bo
even even getting the next rich girl yabona, it's something else because sowunguwo lo mfado yabona. So vele thina king ikude ngaphandle kwale hustle mfethu, we gotta make it cala sibe grand, not even being rich kuba okay nje ukuthi I'm okay with myself and ngale level engikuyo I love myself enough ukuthi angidzingi lomunye umuntu ukuthi approve ukuthi uyabona ngiyathanza yini noma you understand uyangithanza. Ngiyati mina ukuthi ngiyathanza yabona, yena nje is coming in kuto uyabona kutongeda lento, hayi ukuthi ya eish ngifila great ngiba ngusling because kunemuvi lo siyangithanza yabona. Ngiba ngusling ngingedwa dog, ngihamba ngigcoke amancaphsi ngithi yeah.
and then ke lo lithando selibonus because lumnandi fana lithando king.
Elimna mina sengiyalifuna iking khona nje abantu ngifuna kubanyenyela manje ngibabude ukuthi singayenza lento yenteke.
And awumangala ukuthi ningayenda nawe utofika nge-honest wena mlingani.
Inkinga yami ngileyo king mina ngi-honest, that's why ngisaba yakena mina ngisabela lokho king ukuthi akena singangikhoni kuba half in half out, ngifuna kuba full in. Manje ngiyaye ngilimale king bese sengiyasha ngabe bese sengiyagcuma ngihlala khashana ngiyabukela bese hey ngathi kuyangala uyabona, ngiba in yabo, ngiyasho nje ngifuna ngizame.
Kufuna kutafuna uzame mlingani, but nje mina ngekubuka kwami bafana I think na ungaba honest bese utitholela because uyabona lamathi ukhona king athi bo Chisgirl ngathi bona lithando man bo Chisgirl kahle
Ya
hle.
mina ngicabanga bona nyalo king, ngicabanga labo Chisgirl king, labantwana laba grand, labantwana ukuthi angeke ngumthengile i-iPhone because unayo and angayithenga yakhe, ngathenga 5 wow.
I think nje kufuna like kufuna uthola Chisgirl bese uvele kuye honest umchazele le 411 uyabona uthi kanje kanje mina ngile out le kanje kanje because bo Chisgirl man bo Chisgirl banalo lithando kahle hle.
Bona
Nasibuka kahle
mbamba.
nje. bona mbamba sengikuthi there are many frauds king pretending to be cheesecake yathi kunelicala king kulamanye amave ku-impersonate amaphoyisa ukuthi you're impersonating a cop. Kukhona abantu ekufuna baboshwe king ukuthi they're impersonating a cheese girl noma they're impersonating a cheese boy.
Yeah, King, angisho mawune phone King, une Instagram King, you can do everything King, isicabanga ukuthi ungiyo lento leyo kana usingiyo yabona. Like there are so many characters King. Bo Goku, bo iPokemon nje yonke iPokemon King yonke iInstagram. Akena ethi Instagram King ngiyi crime scene lenkulu ekuse.
Instagram ngilenkulu crime but ka Instagram king mina ngiyambonga king Instagram because ungende nga discover kunebantu labahle lamhlabeni boneke ucabanga ukuthi bakhona king.
Yeah, kusebona mabuka ngala Africa le ngala ngenhla ngala mina ngiyabafuna lama sister lawa King. La ngala sesenetile letawo yawabona.
Lethu lena.
Ya lethi sashanga emcancatho King sengito King tidla inangizana tidla umjumbula.
Letho phela tinhle kakhulu mlingane lapha kulama region abo Rwanda bo Uganda sithanga le gap yemlamatinweni.
Ya ngifuna la leli velelo King ngidlala amave lawo because ngidawanika ichance ama sister amnyingi lokho ngidawanika 12 months. La ekhaya after all ngagibela le ndiza King anyuka ngathi chwi njengoba ngifuna ukugibela nje ngiyodlala ngala ngisabuye ekhaya.
Hey afana hey. Yeah, thina Clubparty sebasteka king sekude kwethu vele sekwaphela like
Hayi King
basteka basidlisa.
Wena King walwa imbi lenhle. Ngisho njalo kena masofile se fought the good fight.
Fought but nje uyabona ebekuthiwa umuntu use haywire bafana. Mina ngikhanza ngathi ebonga la Africa leseningizimu king la kubo wathi useking embabane usuyahamba estradini king udibane nomuntu ungathi ugcoka i-Instagram filter.
Yeah.
Ukwayibona into leyo.
Kaningi. But yabona mina King yeah.
Ngathi bane ma-filter ngendlela abahle ngayo. Ngenze ngisho yabona ukuthi umuntu mani sebasidlisa basidlisa. Basifaka bheka mina king sekude lesingakwenza sayikhongothilele.
Yeah, mina King into engifuna kuyena nyalo King ngifuna lelisaka King. Ngifocus kuleli saka kwanyalo King. Ngento lelisaka kahle. Ngive ukuthi okay lelisaka leli right yalo, lelisaka leli grand. Bese sengiyamanuva grand uyabona. But ngeke angifuni kuba but nje uyabona. Ngine-plan mfethu because yabona game lena King wafuna kuyidlala blind lingwana amakhokho ungana amasokisi. Akwaregister neregister la teamini mara ufuna kudlala. Uzothatha udlale emakhuleni again.
And udlala matripali King usuke uphuka phela uyathi usuyaphuka King indlalela imbudi.
Ngicabanga
King udlala ka Premier League.
Mfethu sengafika ngisho naka Premier King bese bakufuna ukusayina King lesizini elandzelako wakhanzakala udlala wena ngaDecember udlalela imbudi waphuka
Indlela imbudi
waphela career usengaqala nekucala.
Hey yabona yeah that's why sometimes vele kufuna uvele ume lokudlala uze ube nayo yonke le ube ne-machine guard ube namakhokho ube nako konke.
So King kulento lesiceda khuluma ngayo King kude umuntu lesimsolako konke right it's just life.
It's just life mina ngisola kuko konke lokwantekile King ngisola Purpose.
Umsola kuthini Purpose?
Purpose bekufuna aphume kadzeni le relationship leya King ahamba ufuna umfati. Because Purpose ngile type yemjida
lesidinga podcast King. Khona unye podcast King lokhuluma over lokumjida King kuba setafuleni nje yabona nalento ekhohlwa lamajida lawo kani ngiphila kulo live lema podcast ekuse. Base ngibanje lokumjida King. Kwakwadubula sithombe sa Purpose King a year or two ago King. Lihlela betafuleni King. Kwathi ichair lehamba nawe igcoke so. Ayisi chair yakho. Ichair lesicala ku-advertiser ukuthi ifuna ukushiya. Agcoke lenye into Remy Ma King le inethi agcoke linethi King leliveta yonke into mfethu umile Purpose eceleni ikepisi lakhe kuthi yabona ichair legcoka so ithi inawe izishuthe enoyi2 publicly kulamagala King lamagala lamakhula waye emaceleb lama-Met Gala lawa iyakushiya le chair lena there's a certain language she's communicating longafuni kuyicatcha wena lo muntu lona akasasiwakho akalimidi lokwe out King.
Hey yeah kunjalo ke kuba kuse kuyafana bakushiya bagcoke siya basi. ya kunzima but ke mina ngisola yena King ukuthi because leya ngile type yemjida lefuna umfati ukuthi why isitshele nyalo ukuthi kwendekani nani bayihleleni kwendeka le nto leti.
Angisho naye King bese itiwe crash out plus bese kusekusedog sengizama nami uyabona ku-clearisha igama lami because I hate this part especially ngabo sister King. I hate this part ukuthi mase sihlukene King socala kungikhuluma ukuthi wena because mina I don't think Papoose King beka broke.
Bekaneka zobe broke King Papoose. Sengikuthi ude le mali yabo Jay-Z but out
Bekangekho
nje.
rich. Bekangekho like wealthy like that but out bekhona kuphila day to day everything grand kude ukuthi kunjani that's okay, you understand, but girl sobeka ngathi bengimondla bengenda ini bengenda ini ekuse Papoose bekamdzinga
bemdzinga ngilokuthatha imali ungayicala uyithatha imali emfati mlingani noma ngabe sesimo sesithini ungacali
sekukhuluma nga 20% ukuthi Papoose bekathatha 20% kuyo yonke imali yakhe lo gela iphumako.
Uyaganga Papoose King.
But King mangabe sithandzana King sibabili sihlala endlini King, I don't think ikhona inkinga. Bebashadile bebashadile. I don't think ikhona inkinga.
Beshadile ngekomshado King le mali yabo 50-50 but mina ngingakusho mlingane ukuthi imali emfati noma ngabe simo sibhedza kwani ungacala uthatha imali emfati.
At least mina ngakulalela wena King because at least wena solwelile lelo lwandle.
Ngikhuluma someday ukuthi lenzaba ngisho lande because yabona sometimes ngisabe ukukhuluma because utawubhilida ama-relationship abantu kanti uyatikhulumela nje yabo like but now sikhuluma for entertainment purposes uyabona.
King athina sendele lihlelo King ukuthi nje sikole ticocela and leti akusitho into sikhuluma noma abantu bayabukela into esikhuluma mina nawe sihlalele nje sicoca uyabona
conversation King
ngcono sale sibanika abantu elifayela sale nabo bafunze sibe baningi balingani. That's why labantu bethu equals we are called equals in the channel, everyone is an equal. Must address nje ma comments ufuna ukuthi hey my equal because you are equal
umlingani so abathina si-entertainment King asisindo but lengingakusho ukuthi le ndlela le ndlela siphila ngayo isisave kakhulu King etimeni letinengi because kunetimo labanye abantu ba-crash outile babulala abantu bentansi asikaze sakwenda le nto leyo.
In most cases labanye abantu
batibulela bona sengikuthi you have to understand the environment lophila kuyo King. Inkinga thine sine fantasy yase Hollywood King siphila eAfrica kunetindlala